Transform your 3D printer from a simple hobby into a profitable venture with these effective strategies. Step 1. Pinpoint your niche and product focus. The opportunities are virtually limitless. Consider the problems you can solve or the distinctive items you can create. We're considering personalized phone stands, customized keychains, practical organizers, artistic e-copyright core, and even replacement components for everyday items. Investigate current trends on platforms such as Etsy, Pinterest, or local community forums. What are people actively searching for and willing to purchase? Step 2. Refine your prints and materials. Superior quality is paramount for customer satisfaction and fostering repeat business. Explore a variety of filament types, such as PLA for general applications, PED for enhanced durability, or even flexible filaments for unconventional uses. Master the optimization of your print settings, including layer height, infill, and print speed, to achieve robust and visually appealing outcomes. Investigate post-processing methods like sanding, painting, or resin coating to enhance the appeal of your products. Step 3. Construct a robust marketing plan. Once your product is polished, it's time to ensure it gains visibility. Establish an online storefront on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even through social media channels. Capture high-quality, well-lit photographs and videos that showcase your products from multiple perspectives. Emphasize their benefits and unique selling propositions. Engage with potential customers via social media, sharing your creative process, offering customization options, and running targeted advertisements. Remember the significant impact of word of mouth. Encourage customer reviews and testimonials. Step 4. Evaluate costs and determine pricing accurately. Calculate your per-print material expenses, encompassing filament, any discarded prints, and finishing materials. Allocate a fair value for your time spent on design, printing, post-processing, and shipping. Research pricing within your specific market to ensure profitability while remaining competitive. Do not overlook platform fees and shipping expenses. A reliable guideline is to multiply your material cost by 2 or 3 to establish an initial pricing point. Step 5. Scale your operations and adapt as your business expands. Consider acquiring an additional printer to boost production capacity. Actively solicit and incorporate customer feedback to refine your product offerings. Explore emerging printing technologies or advanced materials to maintain a competitive edge. Your 3D printer holds the potential to become a powerful instrument for generating a flexible and rewarding supplementary income.